Namaste everyone! Welcome to our channel. If you are trying to lose weight but don't know how to adjust with Nepali food, then this video is just for you. Today, I'll share simple weight loss tips and a healthy diet plan that fits perfectly into our Nepali lifestyle. In Nepal, most of us love dal, bhat, tarkari, achar. This is healthy, but the problem is quantity. If you want to lose weight, reduce rice and increase vegetables and proteins. A good rule is half plate vegetables, 1/4 rice, and 1/4 protein like dal, chicken, fish, or egg. White rice makes us full but also adds fat. Instead, sometimes replace it with brown rice, millet, kodo, buckwheat, fapar, or corn, makai. These are traditional Nepali foods and very good for weight control. Instead of chips, biscuits, or oily snacks, try fruits, roasted chena, makai, or curd. These keep you full and stop cravings. Many times we feel hungry, but actually we are just thirsty. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. You can also try green tea or warm lemon water in the morning. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking, yoga, or home exercise daily can make a big difference. Remember, diet and exercise together give results. Morning, empty stomach. Warm lemon water or green tea. Breakfast, 1 boiled egg plus roti or poha with vegetables. Mid-morning snack, fruits like apple, papaya, or guava. Lunch, small portion of rice plus dal plus more vegetables plus chicken/fish/egg. Evening snack, roasted chana, makai, or curd dinner. Light, roti plus vegetable curry plus soup or dal. So friends, these are simple weight loss tips and a healthy Nepali diet plan. If you follow this daily, you will surely see results. Don't forget, small changes bring big results. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Namaste.